And then another dua we can make is ربي أوزعني أن أشكر نعمتك التي أنعمت علي وعلى والدي وأن أعمل صالحا ترضاه وأدخلني برحمتك في عبادك الصالحين. O my Lord, enable me to be grateful for your favor which you have bestowed upon me and upon my parents, and to do righteousness of which you approve, and admit me by your mercy into the ranks of your righteous servants. Sulaiman alayhi salam made this dua. And you see, he asked, Rabbi auzi'ni, O my Lord, enable me. And awza'a is to restrain. Like, for example, the word is used in the Quran for restraining forces, armies. So the nafs is such that when it enjoys certain blessings, certain privileges, it can get out of control. You begin to think, I am self made. You begin to think, I have accomplished all of this with my own hard work. And you forget that you are the product of your parents' hard work. Your parents have invested so much in you. If you are able to, speak well, if you have any privileges, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala granted them to you through your parents. Sometimes it's because of the mistakes of your parents that you learn that there is a better way of living, that we should be more obedient to Allah. So be grateful to Allah and to your parents. So Sulaiman alayhi salam, he's asking Allah that, Ya Allah, auzi'ni, restrain me. You give me the ability, you enable me, that I'm grateful to you for the favors that you have bestowed upon me. And also I am grateful for the favors that you have bestowed upon my parents. Allahu Akbar. Because whatever your parents enjoy, you also enjoy that, directly or indirectly. And then he made dua for his actions that allow me to do actions that you will be pleased with. He's making dua for his children. That's in the other dua where we are taught to make dua for our children. وَأَصْلِحْ لِي فِي ذُرِّيَّتِي. But here Sulaiman alayhi salam, and he's also praying for Allah's mercy and for the company of the righteous in paradise.